I'm at 13 Yacht Street, Russell Island. Block for sale. It's a 567 metres squared block on a concrete road, not far from the village centre. And the good things about this block is that it is fenced, has water connected and power connected, and there's a little pad that's been excavated, a level pad. So this would be ideal if you're wanting a place to come for short periods while you're building or planning out your house design. So we come inside. The dimensions of the block are about 17.1 metres wide and then 32.5 metres long. Also does have a garden shed for storage of tools, and that's the builder's pole there with power connected. And over here already has the water meter, so that saves a lot of money and time. You actually need to have a building approval to get your water connected. So this one has had one in the past, it's lapsed. This is the little area that's been excavated. Like level. And I can actually see the water through the trees just there. So there's one residential block between 13 Yacht Street and the water. So in the future there's potential glimpses as well.